Next section, juvenile delinquency. Overview. Delinquency has always been considered as a social problem over and above the fact that it is a legal problem. It is also a psychological problem. Hence, to avoid this social evil, one has to tackle the complex problem of delinquency from the social, psychological, and to familial views. It also provides for the establishment of reformatory schools for them, but the revived Bombay Children's Act of 1948 provided not only for custody and control, but also for treatment and rehabilitation of young offenders. The maximum age for juvenile delinquents, according to the Juvenile Justice Act 1986, 16 years for boys, 18 years for girls. Look at this picture. Define juvenile delinquency: violation of criminal code and pursuit of certain pattern of disapproved behavior by children and young adolescent. Types of juvenile delinquents: individual delinquency, group supported delinquency, organized delinquency, situation delinquency. Causes of juvenile delinquent: 1. Broken family. 2. Neighborhood, more in urban than rural. 3. Cinema, pornographic literature. Contribute to the causation of delinquency. First, brain damage. About 1% of the delinquent brain damage leads to lower inhibitory controls and a tendency to show violent behavior. Second, psychopathic personality. Large number of persistent delinquents have been found to possess the traits and characteristics of antisocial and psychopathic personality. Three, drug abuse. Quite a large number of delinquents, particularly those who are engaged in theft, prostitution, and physical assault, are found to be addicted to drugs like heroin and alcohol. 4. Mental retardation or mental deficiency. Various studies have been conducted to find out that relationship between intelligence and delinquent behavior. To solve the controversy whether delinquency is environmental or genetic, 5. Neurosis. About 3 to 5% of delinquent behavior seem to be directly associated with psychoneurotic disorders. 6. Psychosis. In a limited number of cases, that is about 3 to 5%, delinquent behavior is associated with psychotic disorders. 7. Emotional problems. Delinquency as an antisocial personality is the function of certain pathological and ill-developed social environment. Wrong handling and faulty upbringing of the child lead to several emotional problems in the child. 8. Broken homes. Study shows that children coming from broken family or homes where parents are separated or divorced leads to delinquent behavior, where this is a major cause of delinquency. 9. Sociopathic parental models. Sociopathic traits include alcoholism, brutality, antisocial attitudes, failure to provide unnecessary frequent absences from home, lack of communication with child, etc. All these traits make the father an inadequate and unacceptable model for the child. 10. Mother dominance. When the father is mostly busy with his own work and commitment or in other works, and if he plays a submissive role in the family, the mother takes over the function of providing affection and discipline of the boy. 11. Father rejection. Boys felt rejected by their fathers but loved by their mothers. A child who is rejected by his parents day in and day out develops naturally an inner feeling of hostility towards him. Variabilities of juvenile delinquency. The variables of delinquency may broadly be divided into A. Personality characteristics of individual factors. B. General socio-cultural factors, including family pattern and interaction, delinquent gang and subculture, etc. Preventing juvenile delinquency. Prevention of juvenile delinquency serves at risk youths, their families, and the public, as it can put a stop to the tension of juvenile offenders to adult offenders. Prevention services are offered by a number of government and private agencies and include such services: substance abuse treatment, family counseling, individual counseling, parenting education, family planning services, etc. Methods of treating juvenile delinquency. 1. Psychotherapy, emotional and personality problems. 2. Reality therapy, unable to fulfill their basic needs. 3. Behavioral therapy, new learning processes. 4. Active therapy, age group 6 to 8 children. 5. Environmental therapy, produce an positive environment. 6. Other methods. A. Social case study, casework. B. Individual counseling. C. Occasional counseling. Correlation institutions. 1. Remand homes. 2. Juvenile courts. 3. Observation homes. 4. Certified or reformatory schools. 5. Portal or doorway school. 6. Probation hostel and homes. Juvenile Justice Board. Juvenile accused of a crime or detained for a crime are brought before the Juvenile Justice Board under the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2000, amended in 2006. Under this Act and provisions of the Criminal Code procedure, children are not to be taken to a regular criminal court. Juvenile delinquency and health. Death and disability linked to antisocial behavior in youth. Juvenile delinquency linking to undetected health problems in sight, hearing, speech. Many juvenile offenders have multiple mental health problems. Role of nurse, juvenile delinquency. In probation hostel, remand home, nurses doing vital role to treat the delinquency. Psychotherapy, behavioral therapy administered by the nurses. Counseling given by the nurse. Thank you. Have a nice day.